Hello everyone, welcome to innovative, exciting science activities performed using LABOXD Science Activity Kit. Let us begin the activity. Activity Windmill. A windmill is a mill which converts the energy of wind into rotational energy with the help of blades. It is also used to pull the weight up and down. It was normally used to pump water. In this activity, we can understand the concept of conversion of wind energy into mechanical energy. We are provided with the procedure sheet, a boat with required shapes, a bamboo stick, thread and paper pieces, separate the shapes from the boat. A circular boat, 2 rectangle pieces, take the yellow boat and fix the papers to the boat as shown. Now the wheel of windmill is ready. It looks very beautiful. Prepare the stand as shown. Now fix the rectangular pieces. Insert the bamboo stick through the wheel as shown. Fix the wheel to the stand. Take the thread and tie 1 yellow boat piece to it. Now tie the other end of the thread to the bamboo stick. Now the windmill is ready. When the windmill rotates, it results in doing work. Manually blow wind and observe. The windmill rotates. Weight is lifted. This is the work done. When it rotates in the opposite direction, the weight is brought down. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more such activities.